Okay, welcome to the first homework help video of the year. Now listen, I know these are not the most exciting videos on YouTube, but if you're having trouble with your homework, I always do one or sometimes two of the harder problems on the homework help video. So when students come to me and say they didn't understand how to do it, the first thing I do is look at those problems. If those problems aren't done, I can't really have a lot of sympathy for not understanding how to do the homework. It's right here on the video. You can just follow along for a couple of them, learn by doing that, and then do the rest of the homework. Unless, of course, you don't have internet access. But then if you don't have internet access, how are you watching this? Okay. First problem, 48.9418 times 1 million. We learned a trick today for multiplying by powers of 10, and here it is, straight from your notes. Multiplying by a power of 10. To multiply any number, whole number or decimal, by a power of 10, move the decimal to the right one place for each zero in the power of 10. Now, first of all, is 1 million a power of 10? It is actually. It's 10 to the 6th power. 10 times 10 times 10, 10 times itself 6 times. That's 100. That's 1,000. Really, I should be going left to right, but since they're all tens, that's 10,000. That would be 100,000. 10 times 100,000, 1 million. I bet you didn't think I was going to do that whole thing, did you? I told you they weren't the most exciting videos on YouTube. Okay, power. This is a power of 10, so we just need to count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. And we need to move this decimal to the right 6 times, so let's write that decimal again. 48.9418. Move it to the right 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Decimal ends up there. What do we put in these empty spaces? Zeros. So that's 4, 8, 9, 4, 1, 8, 0, 0, and then put some commas in there so it's easier to read. 48,941,800. Okay, next problem from the back side, division problem. 84,627 and 99 hundredths divided by a million. We know a million is a power of 10. It's the same power of 10 we dealt with in the last problem. The rule for dividing by a power of 10, straight from your notes. To divide any number, whole number or decimal, by a power of 10, move the decimal to the left one place for each zero in the power of 10. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros in a million. It's 10 to the 6th power. So we move this decimal to the left this time. We're dividing, we move it to the left 6 places. So let's write it again. 84,627.99. Move it to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. It lands there. We have one empty space here. We put a 0 in that empty space, and we get 0.08462799. And typically, we won't just leave a decimal like that. We'll put a 0, a leading 0. So 0.08462799. All right. I hope that helped, and I think that's it. Okay. See you tomorrow.